In this video, I'll show you how to get Google Chat notifications when new file is uploaded in Dropbox automatically. So I'm going to integrate Dropbox and Google Chat in such a way that whenever any new file is uploaded in Dropbox folder, you can get an automated notification on Google Chat about the very same file upload. And in this way, you do not have to follow up your team member that whether he has successfully uploaded the file or not. And in fact, your team member also do not have to text every time he has successfully uploaded the file into the Dropbox, because the notification will be received on Google Chat automatically. You do not have to do anything manually. So if you also want to set this automation for yourself, come with me and I will show you the whole process step by step. So this is my Dropbox application, and assume that my team member always upload the data into this particular folder. Okay, so I want that every time he has uploaded the data, uploaded the file successfully, I should get notified automatically on Google Chat. But for that, I'll have to integrate Dropbox and Google Chat, and I'm going to do that with Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software via which you can easily connect multiple applications and automate your task. And you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect, and I will also attach this link into my description box for your reference. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you'll have to sign up for free, where you will also get free tasks every month in your account in order to test such types of amazing automation. Okay, I'm already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why firstly I have clicked on sign in. Then I have selected this Pabbly Connect access now among all application. Okay, and this is how I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And once you will reach to the dashboard, firstly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so let's say I'm providing the name something like when new file is uploaded in Dropbox, okay, get notified on Google Chat. Okay, you can provide any random name. Okay, now click on create, and then you will find two boxes in front of you. So these are actually trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So whenever this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say send an email automatically via Gmail application. Okay, according to our use case, whenever any new file is uploaded in Dropbox application, automatically get notified on Google Chat application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are about to build an automation. Okay, and in this case I'm building an automation in which applications? Basically in Dropbox and Google Chat. Okay, so that is why I'm going to select these two applications, and basically I'm going to connect these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I am going to connect this application with Pabbly Connect later. Firstly, let us connect Dropbox with Pabbly Connect. Okay, and in the trigger even you'll have to choose this new file. Basically, read the instruction triggers when a new file is added to a specific folder. Okay, and I want that this automation should trigger only when a new file is uploaded in Dropbox. Okay, simply click on connect, click on add a new connection, click on connect with Dropbox, and provide the access of your Dropbox account from here. Okay, I'm already logged in into my Dropbox account, so it has taken the access automatically and the authorization is successfully, and you can see the Dropbox is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the folder path. So again, you will have to read the instructions that check a specific folder for new files. Okay, while checking a file in a folder named sample folder, the folder path will be like this. Okay, and further in a subfolder, sample folder and new folder. Okay, so basically the instruction for the folder path is given here. So I will take you to my Dropbox account, and here I have created a folder with the name all infographic data. Okay, and if I will open this particular folder, here you can see I have the path as this. Okay, so I have copied this data. Okay, and let me paste the same into a new tab, and I'm going to paste the same here also, and make sure you also remove this extra space. Okay, now I will be clicking on this button, and you will see whatever the existing files are available inside my, basically the most recent file has got uploaded into this particular folder. The details for the same will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so how about I upload a new file right in front of you, and then you will be able to see that how the data is getting captured via Pabbly Connect automatically. Okay, so how about I upload this random image. Okay, this is the bride's gown image. Okay, and assume that the designer of our team has just created this new design for the recent launch. Okay, so I have successfully uploaded the file. Okay, now I will be clicking on this button, save and send test request. I'm really expecting the data to be arrived, and here you can see the responses received. Okay, and here we have the shareable link. Okay, so let me open it in a new tab, and yes, it is the same gown image. Okay, let me show you other details as well. Okay, so the visibility of this particular file is actually public. Okay, so it's a good thing that the visibility of this file is public, because now when this file is public, we are able to send this data to different application. Okay, and it will be accessible from other places as well. Let me show you the other details one by one. So here we have the response name as well, basically the bride gown. Okay, the bride and the image number. Okay, so this is how we have captured all the data. Okay, and the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Dropbox and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so what will happen now onwards? Whenever any new file is uploaded specifically into this particular folder, the data will be captured in every 10 minutes. Okay, this trigger will check for the new data in every 10 minutes. Okay, so just in case if the data is not getting captured in real time, when this automation will work in real time, don't worry about that. Okay, wait for 10 minutes patiently. Okay, and you can also, you'll have to notice this particular thing also, that you can skip this if you want to check file en route. What does that mean? So basically, if you are uploading any file not into a specific folder but normally into the root file, in that case you will have to leave this particular field blank. Okay, now moving further, okay, after this particular step, I want that whenever any new file is uploaded, I should get notified on Google Chat. Okay, so I have already selected this app. Now in the action event, since I want to create a message, basically I want to send a message, so that is why I have selected the same, and now I am going to connect to Google Chat with Pabbly Connect, and it is connected immediately. Now firstly, it is asking for the chat webhook URL. Okay, so read the instructions that enter your Google Chat room webhook URL here. You will be able to register for the webhook only if you have a Google Workspace account. Okay, click here to learn more. Okay, so you can actually visit this particular documentation for the reference. Okay, so I'll take you to my Google Chat here, and I have created a space. I have created a group with the name Pabbly Marketing Team. Simply click on this arrow button, and you will find an option of apps and integrations here. Okay, click on that and click on this manage webhooks option. Okay, and firstly, I will delete this existing URL so that I can show you everything from the scratch. Okay, it will ask you for the name and for the avatar URL. Okay, so I'm going to provide a random name, something like connection with Dropbox. Okay, and asking for the avatar URL, well, you can actually get this URL from this particular documentation which has been provided into the help text. Okay, so I have copied the same, and let me paste the same here, and make sure you also remove this extra full stop from the end. Click on save, and this is how your Google Chat will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now what will happen? Okay, coming back to Pabbly Connect, it was asking for the webhook URL. Okay, I have forgot to copy the webhook URL. Okay, so let me again open that. Alright, so this is our URL, basically chat webhook URL, which I have copied and pasted the same, asking for the message finally, basically what kind of notification you would like to receive on your Google Chat, basically the message. Okay, so hey team, the file has been uploaded by the designer into the folder. Okay, and here I will specify the folder name, that is infographic. Okay, infographic, all infographic. Let me check what was the folder name. Alright, infographic data. It was all infographic data. Okay, and you know what? I can also send that media URL, basically that file URL which has got uploaded into the Dropbox folder. Okay, so here you can see I have received this URL, and I don't even need to copy this data manually and paste it here. I'm going to map it, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. Simply click on this particular field, and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Okay, simply select that field, okay, that particular data, and this is how it will be mapped. Now I will be mentioning here as file link is here. Okay, So whatever the details I have written manually here will remain same, but whatever the details I have mapped here will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. Okay, so that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation, and this is how this automation is going to take place. Okay, now I'll be clicking on this button directly in front of you, and you will see how the very same message will be arrived on this particular chat. Okay, so let us click on this button, save and send test request, and wait for the response to received here. All right, and here you can see the response is received, and let me show you whether the message has been arrived or not. Okay, so let me close this particular section. Okay, and yes, the same design, the same image has been received here, and the notification is also here. Hello team, the file has been uploaded by the designer into the folder. Basically the spelling of this the is not correct, so let me once again correct the spelling. Okay, and now I'll be clicking on this button once again, and I will receive this message once again here. Okay, I'll have to wait for that new message to be arrived, and here you can see the message has been arrived once again. Okay, hello team, the file has been uploaded by the designer into the folder all infographics data, file link is here. Okay, so this is how now onwards every time someone is going to upload any new file inside Dropbox folder, the notification for the same will be received on Google Chat automatically. And in order to create this automation, you just need to create this workflow inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, just create this automation inside Pabbly Connect, and what will happen, in every 10 minutes automatically a notification will be set. Okay, just in case if you want to access this workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the shareable link of this workflow into my description box. Okay, you just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this particular workflow, this particular automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.